Welcome back. In the previous class, we saw about abstract class, abstract method, and the implementation of abstract class and the abstract method. Today, I am with another portion which is known as interfaces. What are interfaces? Interface is used to show the protocol of behavior. When the common behavior from different classes have to be implemented, then we have to go for interface. In the introduction of the inheritance, I told you that different types of inheritances are simple inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, then so on. Among that, the multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. That is, one derived class cannot be inherited from two base classes. Let us see. One base class we have which is known as father. Another one base class we have which is known as mother. We are going to make a derived class known as son. This kind of inheritance which is known as multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. So we are going for interfaces. Interfaces can do the same. Let us see what is interface and a detailed study with the help of a program. An interface can be started by giving the keyword interface. Interface. The interface name. Suppose we are giving father. And what all things are there in the interfaces? The interfaces can have only abstract methods as well as the constants. Constants means which are finite. That means an interface can have only abstract methods as well as the constants. Let's see. We are writing public final string father name. F name is equal to Thomas. I made one variable and C access modifier of that variable is given as public. Now we have to have what? Abstract methods only. What is an abstract method? A method which is not having any body. Then we are writing public. The keyword public is necessary there. Public void display, which is having no body. The interface is closed there. So we started the interface with the keyword interface. Now I am going to write the second interface. Interface which is named as mother. The values which are there inside, we can have only the constants. We say public final string m name is equal to made. Okay, now what we can have next? Only the abstract methods. Right. Public void display, which is also an abstract method. Now we have to have a implementation. How we can represent them in implementation? Means in the multiple inheritance which is done with the help of interfaces. We are writing another class. See the keyword class. Other two had keywords interfaces. Class Sun implements IMPLEMENTS. Keyword is changed. Interfaces are implemented. So we use the keyword implements. Whom? Father, comma, mother. So class Sun implements father, comma, mother. Now we have to give the body of the display function overriding. Abstract methods have to be overridden. So we are giving public void display. Don't forget to give the public keyword here. Then SOPLN. What is that? F name. From where did you get the F name? Which is coming from the interface father. Then SOPLN M name. Okay, close that bracket. Write the main, void main. We are going to create the object for whom? For the class Sun. Sun S is equal to new Sun. Just to call the member function. S dot display. So main closed and then the class is closed. Once again you see the interfaces can have only the constants as well as abstract methods. Keyword used is interface. Interfaces are implemented. We can have more than two interfaces. Now again the Sun can be there. More Suns can be created. Okay. Then another member function is there. Class word display, which is overriding those abstract methods. Printing the father's name, which we are getting through the father interface. Mother's name through the mother interface. In the main, object can be created for this class. Object is creating Sun S, new Sun, S dot display. So it will display what? When the S dot display is called, it will go and call the current class display function. Current class display function will print the F name. From where do we have this F name? We get this F name from the base class. What is printed there? We will get it as Thomas. Second one, we are printing SOPLN M name. It will print the mother's name, which is stored there. Mary. I think it's clear. So in the coming class, we will see more programs using the interfaces. Thank you.